everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Kidney beans recipe, and typical Punjabi we call it Rajma, and Rajma is one of my favorite. As we all know that kidney beans, Rajma, takes a lot of time to prepare this dish. The kidney beans, which we soak it overnight for 8 hours, then we add into pressure cooker, then we cook it. It takes a long time to do it. So today I'm going to share with you the store-bought kidney beans. These are pre-cooked. This recipe will be quick and easy recipe. So in order to make it, we're going to make a tadka. 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, and 1 teaspoon green chili, 1 cup water. You always can adjust the gravy thickness and the spices from masala dabba. Then olive oil for tadka. And without wasting time, let's start making our delicious kidney beans. Start burner. Get a pot. Add olive oil. 2 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon. Give like 10 seconds. This is good. Add ginger, garlic, mix it. Cook for 10 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. And we're going to saute onions until they are nicely translucent. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onions are nicely brown. Add green chili. Mix it. Cook green chili along with tadka for half minute. Cooking green chili for half minute. Now add tomatoes. Mix it well and bring your temperature to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes so that tomatoes get tender. It's exactly 3 minutes. I'll open the lid. Mix it. And if you see, the tomatoes are tender. You can mash it, and as you can see, it's nicely tender. So this is all we need, and now I'll add the spices. I put it into the plate. Salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala. It's a half teaspoon each. We put it in, mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for half minute. Now add kidney beans. As I mentioned, this is the pre-cook. Mix it well. After mixing it well, this is how at this moment the gravy look. And as I mentioned, you always can add water according to your need. If you need a running gravy, you can add full cup water. I'm going to use half cup. And this is perfect. On a medium gas, cover with the lid, cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking with the closed lid on medium gas. I'll open it. It's nice and bubbly. Mix it. Our dish is all ready. As I mentioned to you, quick and easy. And now we're going to add the last ingredient, cilantro. Mix it well. And now bring your gas to simmer. After mixing cilantro, let it simmer for 2 minutes. So cover with the lid again and 2 minutes on simmer. Another 2 minutes on a simmer. I'll open the lid And we're going to turn up the gas. Our dish is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to dish out. This is very tasty, delicious kidney beans. Quick and easy kidney beans recipe. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty vegetarian recipe, kidney beans or Rajma recipe. As you've seen, it's so quick and easy. So now if you go to the supermarket store, please buy those kidney beans. You don't have to do overnight soaking. You just do it quick and easy recipe. So please try it, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, subscribe, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.